In this video, you will learn how to find WordPress username and password in Hostinger. So let's see how we can do it. So to find your WordPress username and password, log into your Hostinger Edge panel, and now from the top just click on websites. So this is the website for which I want to find username and password. So I am going to select dashboard from here. Now from the left menu click on databases and then click on PHP My Admin. Now click on enter PHP My Admin. Now from here we are going to select WP users. So this is the username of our Hostinger WordPress website. And now for the password we are going to click on edit from here. So here you will see the user password section. So we are going to enter our new password here. After that just click on this drop down and then select MD5 from here. Now from here scroll down and then click on go. So now you can use this new password on your WordPress website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.